This video's shoutouts go to Sophia Maria, Ladybug AG06, June and me, and Kayla's Corner for all commenting my cord situation is a total nightmare on my last post.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been spending.
Don't skip, quick backstory. Okay, so once upon a time my family had this really old laptop which was made in 2009, and this was our first laptop after the big blocky computers, and on it I used this little camera feature that worked with the webcam to film short little videos which I pretended was my YouTube channel called Naomi DIY Queen when I was like 7, and recently I recovered all these videos and put them in my Google Drive, and now I'm showing you all just a few of those videos that I filmed back in the day. Hey guys, welcome back to ℏ𝐾𝐸, and today I have a very special video for you guys. So as you probably already read from the title, or as you probably already gathered from that little intro bit, today I'm going to be showing you guys some of my very old videos that I filmed on our old computer that we had in like 2014. They're basically just a bunch of old video clips of me that I filmed before I had my YouTube channel. Also, something that you should know is that when I film these videos, I'm always like, hey guys, welcome back to Naomi DIY Queen. So that was my little fake channel name that I made up, that I had in my imagination. In my little like description box of my channel, it says like I've always like made little videos. So this is proof that I've always made little videos because I don't know, I love making YouTube videos. So anyway, hopefully you find this video interesting, and I can't really snap very loud, but let's just go. Do I have anything else to say? Do I? I don't know, I think we should go now. Okay, let's go.
Hi guys, welcome back to Naomi DIY Queen, and I'm going to be doing trying to draw an owl blindfolded. So let's just get started and put my blindfold on. So I can't see anything through this scarf. It's actually a scarf. Don't worry, I'm not peeking. It's kind of tricky.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer every night.
Okay, I can't see. I was like, I have to peek. Okay, let's just get started. So I kind of memorized these colors. So I'm going to start by drawing an apple. So let's see if I can start. Your beak, eyes. Is good? No, no line. No lines. No feet. No wings. Okay, and then, yeah, that's right, I have wings, and then even brown. No feet. Okay, that looks good. Now I do the eyes. Okay. I think this is the blue ear, forehead. Yeah. I'm going to reveal. Let's open up my blind. Oh, I can't get off my head. Okay, let's look. Wow, okay. Okay. Oh, wow. Let's reset. Hi, welcome back to Naomi DIY Queen, and today I'm just going to be showing you all my Disney princesses that I have. So first is Cinderella. She's just really pretty. She came with some blue flats and some gloves, but I took them off. So yeah, she's really nice. Rapunzel came with her hair up in a braid, so did Cinderella. She came up with her in a bun.
Okay, so that background music, as soon as I heard that play from this clip, I got a bunch of nostalgia. Like, I need to go find that same song on YouTube right now because I used to listen to that like every day. Wait, I think this is it. Oh wow, that's loud. But I remember this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's from 2014. I'm shook. I'm old. Wow. Okay, I'm like gonna go listen to this now and binge this because this is absolutely amazing.
Hi, welcome back to Naomi DIY Queen, and I'm going to be doing a video. I'm going to be doing a bloopers video again because the last one was really funny and you guys have been asking me to do it, so I'm going to be doing a bloopers video for y'all. And all the bloopers that I could find seemed to be on the same day, so that's why I'm wearing this outfit right now. This is the same outfit I wore on that bloopers day. So yeah, that day I just kept messing up and I couldn't do it. I couldn't help it. I'm wearing that same dress right now, so if I'm wearing the same dress on that day of my bloopers. And so let's just get into the video. I am having a good hair day. And wait, the video started? Wait, is it started? Oh, okay then. Bloopers, please. Okay, I'm gonna start the video. It's already started! Oh, then. Hi, welcome back to Naomi DIY Queen, and I'm going to be... Yeah, that's just looking okay. Just put it on bloopers, please. Hi, welcome back to me. Wait, I have my headphones on. Leave your headphones. Wow, baby, let's go. Take you to a place nobody else knows. Wow.
Oh my gosh, I found the song I was singing. It's this one. It's called Let Me See Ya Girl. I loved this song, and it's from 2015. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So this video clip was from 2015. Yeah.
If I live to be 100 and never see the 7 wonders, I'm gonna be just fine because I know exactly who I am. Hi, Courtney.
Okay, so I actually googled the release date of this song, so it turns out it's 2014, so this clip might have been from 2014, I don't know, but then I found the other song that I was singing. It's called Who I Am. I love this song, it's beautiful. Know exactly. Yeah, I don't want to copyright it, so yes. Can we just take a moment to appreciate this hair?
Hi guys, welcome back to Naomi DIY Queen, and today I'm doing something I haven't really done before, and I'm going to be showing you some things I got from Dollar Tree. I wouldn't necessarily call it a Dollar Tree haul because I only got 2 things, but I don't have the money to buy that, so let's just get into the video and see what I got. So in this bag, let's see. Alright, so in this bag, alright, I got this. This is fun. Oh, I got a My Little Pony. Oh, I got it open. Okay, I got it open. I don't need this. Goodbye. Let's get over here. Alright, this is the little pony. He's super cute. It's Flam. Everyone knows him, right? Alright, his hat doesn't really stay on, but it has like this little, I don't know if you can see, but it has a little rubber band. Oh yeah, you can see. And last thing, last but not least, this super fun My Little Pony play pack. It wouldn't believe it. It says, stand them up. It's so fun. It says it includes 4 coloring boards, 3 washable markers, 24-page fun pad, and 25 stickers. I don't really like stickers, so let's open this up and see what this is all about. Alright, I'm gonna open it. Ah, it's so fun. Oh, okay, I opened it. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Okay, let's see what's in here. Is that all? That's all. Okay. Oh, look at this. Okay, it came with these 3 little markers. It came with yellow, pink, and blue. Okay, you can like totally color this, and then you can like totally pop it out, which is like so fun, right? Alright, then we have Applejack. Look at Applejack. Oh, my Applejack. How to...
Okay, so I found another clip of me singing the same song. Like, this song clearly inspired me because I sang it multiple times, like, in multiple videos. Like, this beautiful country song.
You see your girl. Wow, wow. La la la, Tennessee moonlight. Wow, baby, let's go. La, la, la. Just a little road, nobody else knows. Wow, baby, let's go. Hi, welcome back to Naomi DIY Queen, and I'm going to be doing a review of my American Girl doll ice cream cart. So if you're wondering why I have string around me, it's because we're doing an ice cream cart today, and I just thought it'd be fun today to do a little ice cream cone lip gloss. So it's a little ice cream cone lip gloss. Well, we don't need to be talking about that, do we? Alright, so here's the ice cream cart. That's the back. I'm sorry. Okay, let's look at the front first, and then we can look at the back. Ah! Well, I inspired this by American Girl Ideas, and it's kind of backwards on your screen, but American Girl Ideas made one, but that's what it looks like. And then I made my wheels turning with foam board, and I just did the same. See, like I put a bamboo skewer and I cut it, and I cut a straw, and I put the bamboo skewer in the straw, and as you can see, you can still turn the bamboo skewer. Hot glue the wheels to the bamboo skewer. Hot glue the wheels to the bamboo skewer. If you love a baby, then I'm a lovely baby. If I'm a lovely baby, then you're a lovely baby. We both are fluffy babies. Yay!
Good heavens, I think I'm gonna go die now. Thank you.
Hey guys, you can't see me because I'm invisible. Nope, you guys cannot. Oh no, you saw me. You can't see me. Haha.
And poof! I'm here! Hey guys! So, I'm pretty sad because there's no snow. No snow! How can there not be snow?
Alright guys, that's basically it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want me to do a part 2 of this, because I would love to. Like, I have a bunch more videos that I could do another video with. So yeah, let me know if you want a part 2, and also if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below the hidden message if you found it, or if you just skipped through, that's fine, you know, comment down below still, because I love talking to you guys, and I'm gonna go eat my spaghetti, so I will see you in my next video. Bye! Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all, share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.